So over here you can see that I have a bunch of video clips, and if I were to press the play button right here, you can see that the video clips changes from one to the next in a straightforward way. So sometimes what you may want to do is you may want the scenes to be more interesting, and in that case what you can do is you can utilize something called transitions. So to do that, you need to go around under effects right here, and once you go around under effects, you can see transition audio and video is an option right here. So now let's just go around and expand the transition video, as you can see right here. And there's different type of transitions that you can choose from. For example, there's iris right here. So what I can do is I can click and drag around the iris right around in the middle of these two particular video clips right here, and you get the controls over here for that transition over here as well. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that this is what you have right here, and this is the iris transition, which allows you to change from one clip to the next. So the shape that is used right now is octagon, but if you want to go around and change it into decagon, then you can do that as well, and so forth. You can also make it square or triangular, as you can see right here. You can rotate it out as well. You can change around the curvature right here to make it more curvy, as you can see right here. You can pinch it out right here to get the look you want, as you can see right here. You can go around and change this out according to how you want, and you can also go around, change around the direction to in and out, and you can see that this is what you have. So as I play, you can see that this is the transition that I have right here. So for the transition right here, what you can do is you can go around and click and drag around to make it more slower so that it takes more time, as you can see right here. Or you can go around and make it thinner right here, just like this. So what happens is that it takes like less time right here for the transition. So this is the transition that you have right here, as you can see. So you can click on the transition right here as well and hit the delete key to remove the transition altogether as well. I'm going to go around under effects, and let's say I'm going to utilize fade to color right here, just like this. So this is another transition right here. Click and drag it out, and this is what you have. So there's fade to color right here, just like this. What you can also do is keep the transition more on the left side so that you see full video clip of the second clip, and you see the transition area for this one. Similarly, you can do the same over here as well, just like this. You got the transition as you like. So for the color, you can see that you can go around and change around the color settings. So depending on the transition you use, what happens is that you may have different settings available. I'm going to go around under effects again, and let's say bring in phase turn over here, and you got the phase turn right here. So similarly, you can go around, change around the curve radius, as you can see. You can go around and change the field corner right here. You can also go around and see. You can roll up right here and so forth, and then you get the settings applied as you selected right here, just like this. What you can also do around is you can go around over here and wipe. There's clock wipe right here. You can click and drag on top to actually go around and replace the transition as well. So there's the radial wipe, just like this. So if I were to go around and keep it in the beginning and not in between two clips, then also what happens is that the transition is there and it fades in from black, as you can see, just like that. Let me just go around over here onto let's say iris right here. So let's just go around, drag in the iris onto the end right here, and this is the end result that you have. So as I play, you can see that this is the beginning transition, and this is the center transition right here, and this is another center transition, and finally what happens is that it goes to the end, just like that. And that is how you can go around and add in transitions inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe